Today I'm revealing the top 5 best trailer tire pressure monitors, the ones that actually keep you from having a blowout at 70 miles per hour on the highway. I went through Amazon's best sellers, real buyer feedback, and what actually works when you're towing long. So yeah, if you're towing an RV, trailer, fifth wheel, anything, this is for you. I ranked them from 5 to 1, worst to best for most people. And I dropped all the Amazon links I found down in the description if you want to check current prices. Let's jump in. Starting at number 5, the Latour WM Tire Pressure Monitor. This is a 6-sensor kit, so it is built for trucks with dual rear wheels, bigger recreational vehicles, or if you want to monitor your truck and trailer together. What I found interesting here is it actually talks to you. It has voice broadcasting alerts, so instead of just beeping, it tells you what is wrong. When you are towing and your eyes have to stay on the road, that is surprisingly useful. It does 0 to 144 pounds per square inch, IP67 waterproof, so dust, rain, snow, mud, it does not care. Solar plus universal serial bus charging, so you stick it on your dash and it just stays alive. Real-time monitoring with 6 alarm modes: high pressure, low pressure, high temperature, rapid leak, slow leak, sensor failure, low battery. But let us be honest, the range is only 65 feet. For a 20-foot trailer, totally fine. For a 35-foot fifth wheel with a crew cab truck, you might start getting signal drops. And the screen is smaller than the big boys coming up. It feels more basic. Pros: voice alerts, so eyes stay on road. Solar plus USB charging, always ready. Easy 2-minute screw-on install. IP67 handles all weather conditions. Cons: only 65 feet range, struggles on long rigs. Display feels small and basic. Number 4. Hi-Ha Tire Pressure Monitor. Okay, first reaction when I found this one. This screen is massive, 7.84 inches. It is literally like a small tablet on your dash. If you are tired of squinting at tiny numbers that are like an inch tall, you will love this thing. This one goes from 0 to 198 pounds per square inch, which is the highest range on this entire list. And it is accurate to ± 1 pound per square inch because it uses that imported Freescale chip. Lower power, more accurate. So if you run heavy loads, high-pressure trailer tires, this gives you headroom. The other crazy specification: 130 feet sensing distance without needing a repeater. No extra booster box to mount in your trailer, no wiring headache. Super strong antenna does it alone. That is a big win if you hate installing extra parts. Battery is 5,000 mAh. High efficiency solar panel. They claim 24-hour continuous battery life, so you can drive through the night and it will not die. It has intelligent wake up and sleep, so vibration wakes it automatically. It sleeps when you stop, saves power and extends life. Pros: massive 7.84-inch screen, super readable. Longest 130-foot range, no repeater needed. 5,000 mAh battery, lasts 24 hours straight. Auto wake and sleep, saves power. Cons: bulky size, eats dash space. Heavy build, not ideal for small cabs. Number 3. GUTA 10 Sensors Tire Pressure Monitor. This is where we go into serious towing. The GUTA GT20 with 10 sensors. If you have a big motorhome, a dually plus a triple axle trailer, or you run a small fleet, this system is built for that. It does 0 to 188 pounds per square inch and -40 to 221 Fahrenheit, so it handles extreme temperatures. It comes with a signal booster that gives you 100 feet stable range, so even on a long semi or big fifth wheel, you get reliable data. And it supports up to 24 tires. Yeah, 24. So you can monitor your truck and 2 trailers if you need to. The display cycles through each tire every 5 seconds, so you see everything. Large color liquid crystal display with adjustable backlight. Power saving mode that sleeps after 15 minutes. No motion. Lasts up to 15 hours on a charge. 6 real-time alert modes. Rapid air loss, abnormal pressure, abnormal temperature. Low battery warnings for both sensors and monitor. And sensors are pre-labeled and paired at the factory. You just screw them on the metal valve stems and it automatically sets your current pressure as reference, plus 25% high, minus 15% low. No manual pairing nightmare. Pros: Supports up to 24 tyres total. Includes 100-foot signal booster for long rigs. Factory pre-paired sensors save time. Wide 0-188 psi and temp range. Cons. Overkill if you only need 4 sensors. Booster needs careful mounting spot. Number 2. Tymate TM7 Tire Pressure Monitor. This one is different from all the Solar Dash ones. The TM7 plugs directly into your cigarette lighter socket. So if you have an older truck, older sport utility vehicle, older recreational vehicle that did not come with tire pressure monitoring system from the factory, this is the easiest safety upgrade you can do. No wiring, no charging worry. It powers on when you start the car. I found this one has 4.4 stars from 600 ratings, and people keep saying the same things. Easy installation, works right out of the box, display is sharp and bright, and adjustable for night driving. It shows pressure and temperature in real time for all 4 tyres, plus battery voltage for a few seconds when you start. It does 0 to 87 pounds per square inch standard, with maximum versions up to 0 to 144 pounds per square inch, so you can cover recreational vehicles and trailers too. Accuracy ±1.5 pounds per square inch, or ±3 Fahrenheit. Units switchable pounds per square inch bar Celsius Fahrenheit. 6 distinct alarm modes: high-low pressure, fast leakage, high temperature, sensor low battery, sensor signal lost. Pros: plugs into lighter, no charging needed. Bright color LCD readable in sunlight. Includes 2 USB ports for charging. Super easy 5-minute install. Cons: occupies your cigarette lighter socket. Needs repeater for trailers over 36 feet. And number 1. Tymate TM2 Tire Pressure Monitor. Okay, this is the number 1 bestseller on Amazon in tire pressure monitoring system for a reason. Over 1,000 bought in the past month. Number 1 in automotive tire pressure monitoring system. And after testing the logic, I get why. First, it just works. Solar automatic charging plus universal serial bus color liquid crystal display with adaptive backlight. So day or night, you can read it. External sensors are IP67 waterproof, low power, 6 months on a single CR1632 battery. Up to 2 years lifespan. Lightweight, high accuracy within about 3 pounds per square inch. And all sensors are pre-labeled and paired at the factory. No pairing needed. Second, it is expandable. Comes with 4 sensors but supports up to 10 tires. Display swaps between front vehicle and trailer so you can monitor your truck and your trailer on one screen. For most people towing a travel trailer, camper, small to mid-fifth wheel, that is perfect. 6 alarm modes, fast leak detection, high-low pressure alerts, high temperature warning, sensor low voltage, signal loss. Upon pairing, it seamlessly configures your current pressure as reference point. Alarming range plus 25% to minus 15% of reference, so you do not have to manually set thresholds. Pros: number 1 bestseller, proven reliability. Expandable up to 10 tires easily. Solar plus USB never dies. Pre-paired waterproof sensors install fast. Cons: 0 to 87 range limited for heavy semi. Needs optional repeater for very long trailers. If you want best overall from most trailer and recreational vehicle owners, get the Tymate TM2. Best balance of price, ease, and expandability. If you have an older vehicle without factory tire pressure monitoring system and want plug and play with universal serial bus charging, get the Tymate TM7. If you tow big 30+ foot fifth wheel motorhome or you need to monitor many tires, go GUTA 10 sensor for up to 24 tires, or HIHA 7.84 inch if you want the giant screen and 130 feet range with no repeater. And if you are on a tight budget but need 6 sensors with voice alerts, the Latour WM M12-3 is a solid entry. Hopefully, this helped you decide which one fits your rig. Links to all 5 are in the description if you want to check current pricing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.